Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website www.millettable.com. Today I am making idli tikkas. I have made some button idlis with varag, that is kodo millet idli batter. So make as many button idlis as you want, and have some chopped green capsicum, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, onions. So chop them as much as possible, chop them in square shapes. So any millet idli will work for this recipe. So let's see how we can make. This is absolutely depending on the choice of the consumer. That is, if you want more of idli in your tikka, use more idlis. If you want more vegetables, then use more vegetables. I have made here some vegetables along with idlis. See, here I have used the toothpick, and I have used 3 capsicum, 1 onion piece and 1 idli. And in this I have used 3 idlis and 3 capsicums, 1 onion slice. So it completely up to you to use vegetable more or idli more. So I will show you how we can make. Take one toothpick, just insert, then one colored capsicum, then another one, then one idli, then onion, then another capsicum. If you want, you can add one more idli also. So this will be 3 idlis and 3 capsicums, 1 onion slice. It depends completely on your choice. So now this is ready. So I have made all these tikkas ready. Now I will use a grill pan and start grilling them. Now let's see how we can prepare the tikkas. So all these are ready. So heat a grill pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When it is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of jeera, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of idli chilli powder, that is modaga podi, idli modaga podi. Just roast them on low heat for 30 seconds. Now place the prepared tikkas. Let them cook on low heat and turn them in between so that all parts are caramelized evenly. Our gorgeous idli tikkas are ready.